Instant Mode section. Step into the world of seamless video editing with Filmora 13e's Instant Mode. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, these professionally designed templates offer a shortcut to stunning videos. Discover how easy it is to create polished projects with just a few clicks and unleash your creativity like never before. Take your video editing to the next level. Download and install the latest version of Filmora using the link in the description and start creating like a pro. Filmora's user-friendly interface and powerful tools make it the perfect choice for all your editing needs. Once you've got it set up, don't forget to watch our next video where we'll build on what you've learned and help you unlock even more creative possibilities. Let's start editing. Below the New Project button, you'll find the Instant Mode section. Clicking on it reveals a plethora of professionally designed templates ready for use. Ideal for quick and polished edits, these templates offer a streamlined editing experience. To start editing with an Instant Mode project, simply select the desired template and click Use this template. The project will download automatically. Once downloaded, import your media by clicking Import Media and selecting your preferred videos. Adding more media enriches your final result. Next, click Auto Create below to initiate the creation process. This step might take a few minutes as it works its magic. Customize your project further using the Layer panel for cinematic text and effects, the Storyboard for personalized highlights, and the Media panel to adjust template music and text. To edit text, double-click to enter your desired text. For example, you can edit your text here. Customize text colors by selecting individual letters and adjusting them accordingly. In the Text tab, explore various title and text templates suited to your project needs. Below that, the Music tab offers a diverse range of music selections to enhance your videos. Navigate through the tabs at the bottom to access all Instant Mode templates, facilitating easy creation of professional-grade videos. Once satisfied with your edits, it's time to export your video. Click on Export, customize your export settings, which you can save for future use, and learn about optimal video export settings later in this course. Finally, click Export to finalize your video. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow guides. Remember to download Filmora using the link in the description and start exploring all the amazing features it offers. And be sure to check out the next video in this series to continue your editing journey. Until next time, happy editing!